we're using snapper fish. What you will need to do is wash your fish with lime and water. Dry your fish on paper towel. Also, you'll need to slice the fish on both sides and make sure you're drying the fish. I'm seasoning my fish with a mixture of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some fish seasoning. I've got 2 cups of vegetable oil in a deep skillet. I'm going to place the fish to fry on each side, roughly 7 to 10 minutes on each side. Okay, so here I am sauteing some, and I'm also sauteing some onions until it's translucent. I've just added some chopped green onions and some julienne. Sliced scotch bonnet pepper, carrots, and sliced up. And now I'm adding some vinegar. I'd say about a quarter cup of vinegar. Just gonna give, now I'm adding my fish seasoning. I'm using Maggi fish seasoning. I'm also using fish tea. And I'm just gonna give my veggies a quick stir. I'm adding water, just half a cup of water, and I'm gonna let the veggies cook a bit because my fish is already fried, well fried, so I'm not gonna want to overcook my fish. So I'm just giving my veggie a bit of cook time. Just adding a pinch of salt there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stir. I'm just tasting it to make sure that it have the right flavor. I'm gonna cover it with a lid and just let it sit there for a couple of minutes, maybe 3 minutes or so. Then I remove the lid and start stirring. Here I'm adding some paprika. Paprika really gives it a good flavor, so you would want to add. I usually add paprika. And then we're gonna go ahead and basically just make sure that the paprika is mixed into the sauce properly. And I am now adding a tablespoon of ketchup. And once again, you're gonna stir that into your sauce. And do the same, repeat the same process where you scoop the sauce over the fish once again. And you're just gonna let it cook. The cook time is now pretty much almost ending. And you cover and you cook for another 3. Here I am adding some more water, just about a quarter cup. Okay, just covering it up with the lid and allowing it to cook for another 4 minutes or so. Please don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you. Love you guys. Well,